Hello everyone, welcome to the channel again. In this video we are going to tell you strategy, with the combination of 3 moving average indicators, with the best settings. So first of all what you have to do is, come to indicator section, and select moving average. After doing this come to settings, and change its period to 4 and come to style, and change its size to 2px, and then save this. After doing this come to indicator section one more time, select moving average, and change its period to 50, and change its SMA line to EMA, and come to style, and change its color to blue, and save it again. Now one more time, come to indicator section, and select moving average, one last time come to its settings, and change its period to 200. And moving average to EMA. After this come to style, change its color to white, and change its size to 4px. And after this you can save this. So this is how these 3 indicators looks together. After doing all of this process, select the time frame of 1 minute. And select the chart as candles. So we will take trade of 1 minute, same as the candle expiry time. We will take trade of $100 of one trade, just to show you, and after this, we will take trade of $200 each. So, now let me tell you, how you can take trades, and make profit with the help of these indicators. You can see in this specific area, that, whenever the green line, crosses the blue line, in the downward direction, then you have to take a trade, for the down direction of 1 minute. So here you can see, the next one is red, which means it's a win. Here you can see, now this green line, crossed the blue line, in the upward direction, so we have to give it trade, for the up direction of 1 minute, and next candle is green, which means it's a win. Here also you can see, this green line, crossed the blue line, in the downward direction, which means, a down trade, and it's a profit. And one more time, green line, crossed the blue line, in the upward direction. And the next candle is green, which means it is a profit again. So now let me tell you, what is the use of this white color moving average line. This white color, moving average line, tells you about the trend. If the market is above this white line, then it's an uptrend, and if the market is below this white line then it's a downtrend. So here you can see, that the market is above this white line, which means it's an uptrend. So you have to take a trade for the up direction only. Okay, here you can see, in this market, in this specific area, this green color line crossed the blue color line in the upward direction. So we can take a trade here, for the up direction of 1 minute. Here, the green line crossed the blue line, for the downward direction, which means you can take a trade here, the downward direction of 1 minute. I have taken a trade here, for the up direction. Just to show you that how this indicator works, I would suggest you that don't take trade in this situation, if you don't have enough balance in your account to recover it. Here you can see, that the market is below the white line, which means market is in downtrend. So as per this indicator you have to take trade only in down direction. But just to show you I took this trade for the upward direction. So if you don't have enough balance, then please take trade with triple confirmation. The confirmation should be that, the market should be in downtrend, which means below the white line. Green line and blue line must be crossing each other in the down direction only. And there must not be dojis forming. These are the 3 confirmations that you have to follow to take a trade. Here I won this trade. I would suggest you to not to take trade in this situation. This was only to show you now. I will show how you can take trade, with a trend and with the triple confirmation. Here you can see, I have taken a trade for the down direction, of $200 of 1 minute. Now see in this specific area, the white line is above the market, which means market is ready for a down trade. Now that's why I have taken a trade for the down direction. Now, Here the green line crossed the blue line, in the downward direction, which means we have to take a trade for the down direction, like we did. Also you can see here, green line crossed the blue line, in the upward direction, which means you can take a trade for the up direction, but as the market is in downtrend, so you have to avoid this. You can see here as well, green line crossed blue line, in the upward direction, which means you can take a trade for the upward direction, but of course, you have to avoid if you don't have much balance, and you want to trade safe. Here I have won this trade, so let's move forward and take some other trades. Here, you can see, I have taken a trade here for the up direction, of $200 one more time. I took this trade because, this is a perfect trade, because we took a trade with the marginal safety. Here you can see that, the market is above the white line, which means, market is in uptrend. So we followed the trend, we took a trade for the up direction. Here the green line crossed the blue line, in the upward direction, which means the trade should be in up direction. And in the previous market, here you can see, in this specific section, the market is moving in a very good flow, without any fluctuations. So that's the only reason why we took a trade. And here you can see that, the green line crossed the blue line in the downward direction. So we have an opportunity here. If you have balance, you can take trade on this opportunity. If you don't have balance, then you can avoid this. I will tell you both the situations, if you have enough balance and if you don't have enough balance. If you don't have enough balance, take trade with the trend, and if you have enough balance to recover your loss, you can go opposite the trend, just by taking two confirmations. For example, here I have taken a trade with the trend, of $200 for the up direction. So the white line was below the market, which means market is in uptrend. So we followed the trend here, the green line crossed the blue line in the upward direction, which means we are ready for an up trade for 1 minute duration. I would like to tell you that, this strategy works very amazingly in the 2-minute time frame, as well as in the 3-minute time frame. I am taking trade here with the 1-minute time frame, just to show you, so that the video won't become so long for you to watch. And here the market has been flipped. So we will take a $400 trade, which is the double of our amount, which means, the martingale step of $400. This is an OTC market, and in OTC market some error candles forming is very normal. This red candle is an error candle, because this candle flipped in the last seconds, which means this is an error candle, because we followed the all three confirmations. Market is in uptrend, and green line crossed the blue line in the up direction as well, and you can see that a big green candle is formed here, which means yes, this is a strong confirmation. So that's why we took a martingale step here. If your trade don't follow these conditions, then I would suggest you to don't take martingale step, and here you can see we have won our martingale step trade. Here, we are with one more trade of ours. I am taking this trade of $200 for the up direction because, you can see here that the market is in uptrend, because the market is above the white line, which means we have to take a trade for the up direction. Then you can see here, that the green line crossed the blue line in the upward direction, which means we are ready for up trade. Then a red candle formed, which is a retracement candle. So after this confirmation retracement candle, we took a trade for $200 for the up direction, and here you can see, we won this trade and we have booked profit one more time. If you find this strategy helpful, then please like this video, subscribe our channel, and if you have any query then please ask in the comment section. Meet you again soon. Till then, trade safe.